Hello again and welcome back to our course on Project 2019 Advanced. It's now time for exercise 6. The starting point for exercise 6 is the exercise_6.mpp file in the exercises folder, and the sample answer is exercise_06_answer, which you're looking at the moment. Now, as usual, if you do want to change the date, so if you're applying a calendar with public holidays that differ from mine, then you may well have hopefully only minor differences in dates and durations. But this is not about an exact reproduction of the numbers in this case. This is about trying to make a report that looks something like this. Now, on this particular report, I've only included two main elements, a chart and a table underneath at the bottom. And each of them is occupying a page, and you can see I have my page breaks in there. And I've specified landscape orientation on A4 paper. Again, it's up to you if you use a different size. And I've also specified narrow margins. Now, with this report, apart from the heading at the top there, DA Weekly Report, which is very important, the graph has a couple of headings above it. Resource work stats sorted by remaining work. I would like you to do something along those lines. Use the particular theme and styles within that theme to make things look consistent. And if you're wondering, the theme I've used here is called Mesh. Now, let's start with the chart then. The chart shows the remaining work for external resources. So there are 4 resources in there. Contract Consultant, People for People, Northern Farm Foods and Bakersfield Associates. And the chart has a legend, and the chart is also sorted by remaining work in ascending order. And one thing I'd like you to be particularly careful about here is that in the field list goes work, actual work, remaining work. And what I'd like you to do is to make sure that they're in the same sequence that I've got them. Now, the type of chart that's in use there is also a clustered bar. The other element of this weekly report is a table, and it's a table showing tasks. And for each task, it shows name, start, finish, remaining work, and % complete. Again, I'd like you to make sure the columns are in that sequence. The table must have a heading above it as well as a header row. So you can see that the heading above my table is task remaining work and % complete. But there is also the header row showing the field names. And in this case, the entries in the table are sorted by critical in ascending order, then finish date in ascending order. So that is a custom sort that you should be able to set up by just using the sort by option at the very bottom of the field list pane. Now, this particular table, the content should go down to level 2, and you should show the hierarchy as well. So we can see the structured level 1 task, level 2 task, etc. So that's it. That's exercise 6. I will see you in the next section.